but we have one that's like a water hose.
Learning to be great leaders. The Ladies Island St. Helena Fire District was at Ladies Island Elementary School talking to members of the National Elementary Honor Society about leadership and service. The students got to check out the fire truck and talk to the firefighters to learn how they work together to be leaders in the community.
I learned that just because they're off of work doesn't mean they can't go out and go save a fire, and they're on duty at all times, day and night.
Once a month, a different guest speaker from the community comes to talk to the kids, teaching them about their careers and how they focus on leadership and service.
Each time we have a community member come in, I hope that they can see the link between leadership and then service, because as leaders in the community, we often see opportunities for service, and then we go out and, as a leader, do something to help whatever that situation could be.
The students are really enjoying learning what it takes to be great leaders.
One day we're going to end up having to leave school and get our own jobs, and we have to be able to be leaders and lead ourselves towards right things to do.
Community service in the position that I have with the fire department right now.
I think it's important to give to people because you want people to always respect you with the same service, and you want everybody to give you the same respect of things that you give them.
I keep my grades up because when people see my grades, they know that I have been learning, listening, and also following directions of my teacher and not goofing off.
Each guest speaker gets to spend about an hour talking to the National Elementary Honor Society students. At Ladies Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
All right, fantastic. Yes, sir, what'd you learn today?